Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a YouTube thumbnail on CapCut PC. So just select this video here and just select the cover section, and here's where you can basically edit your cover for YouTube. You can design it however you like, of course, and also you can select like another picture if you want to and not from the video. I don't know why it's loading so long, but you're just going to edit it. You can edit the font, the color of the font. You can add in shapes, stickers. Let me just press allow on this. Shape, stickers. Here's the cover design. You can also choose from templates like these, for instance. Maybe like piano lesson on a budget. I don't know. You can also adjust the size here. And you can change the color of the text if you'd like to, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to go in detail because it's pretty easy to just explore this yourself. You can also change the themes as well. It will change like the font and like the colors if you select certain themes like this. Then once you're done, just press save, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Once you export, it's going to be in the same folder as your videos. You can choose it to be in the like same, I can export it in the same, like, you can choose to make it like in the video or not. That's what I'm trying to say. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.